Tell us a bit about the old bridge at Invermoriston here.
Well, this was a Telford bridge. It was a main road bridge from Inverness, on the main road from Inverness to Fort William. It was built about 1820. And in a big flood of about 1950, the water came flooded right up, filled the arches over here, and the parapets were washed away.
The new bridge had been built by then?
The new bridge was built in 1936.
So do you remember that flood?
Oh yeah.
What were you doing at the time?
I was delivering mail up Glenmoriston, and I was marooned up there. I couldn't get down the Glen because the road was washed away in more than one place. Quite fortunate my vehicle broke down owing to water getting into the electrics, and I stayed the night in Glenmoriston, and I had to walk down the Glen because the road was washed away.
So how high was the water here? What's this building here?
This was the smithy workshop here, where they shoed horses and mended agricultural implements. At the time of the big flood, there was 3 feet of water in the building there.
Say that again?
There was 3 feet of water in the actual building.
During the flood that washed the old bridge away?
Yeah.
And when was the smithy working until?
Well, it was working. Was it not working in your day?
Well, that would be, what, 1970 perhaps?
Was it working then?
So, who was the last smith here?
Well, Willock the blacksmith, he was the last. He was smith here.
Willie MacDonald?
Willie MacDonald.
And his sister stayed there as well?
His brother was the labourer, the hammer man. And he had 2 sisters. None of them married.
So they stayed in the white buildings there, and
that was a smithy house up there.
Aye.
He lived there.
And what happened to the smithy?
Well, after it closed as a smithy, it became a pottery. Alan Nairn ran it as a pottery, and now his wife runs it as a knitwear studio. This was used for making cart wheels. The wooden wheel was put on here, and the iron rim was heated in the forge, carried out here in front onto the wooden wheel there.